Check the vibe.
Damn, this is some good shit, man. Where you get this shit from? Damn. Yo, now we take you back to the previous program.
1990 motherfucking one. NWA back in this motherfucker, yo. Taking out all you commercialized ass niggas. And we on this laid back track. And we doing this one kinda smooth. So what you gonna do, Drake? Kick it.
And so on, let the shit flow on. Because I need something to go off on. The motherfucking DRE serving a death wish. So I'ma hit you like this. Early in the morning, hop into the B&Z. I got 44 ways of getting paid. Sitting in my lap as I roll up the Compton blocks. The scoop up red, I heard shots. 1, 2, 3. Then I seen a nigga hop in the fence and it was red on the motherfucking trigger. He got in the Benz and said, Dre, I was speaking to your bitch, O'Shea. And as we roll on, I seen the patrol on creep. So we got ghosts before they beat me and Ren in a black CD. Yo, humping some funky shit by the DOC. I gotta get paid in a hurry. See, I gotta have it if I'm not paid thoroughly. I start thinking, making sure my shit is steady bumping. A nigga always in the song.
Fuck them motherfucking police, cause they swear that you locked down and them kick them in this motherfucking ball. Goddamn police, fuck them. Come down, MC Ren.
I heard a dope beat. Somebody told me that Buck did it, but if Dre didn't do it, I can't fuck with it. NWA is like a mix of fix or tricks. Real niggas with big dicks. You're taking a chance when you think that talking under your breath won't lead to young death. Fucking up shit ain't shit but a killing for a nigga labeled as being a motherfucking villain. But you don't know me, a record can't tell ya how so many prayed I'll be a motherfucking failure. Real niggas gotta have top ranking. I hooked up with 3 more niggas and started making funky ass shit for your system. Might sound nice so it makes you wanna listen to a sample of a ruthless organization, but you don't want a confrontation. Real niggas don't play. Yella, Easy Me, and the nigga Dre. Yo, always making sure that my shit is steady pumping. A nigga always into something.
Boom, boom, God, look at that bitch walking on the motherfucking street. Don't you know the admiral wanna hold my dick, and then because that bitch's booty is so nasty.
Yeah, the world's most dangerous group, definitely in this motherfucker. Sending a shout out to all the bitches out there. Yo, you can get in the pickup and suck your dick up to your hiccup. You know what I'm saying? Yo, cause I'm a nigga for life and I really don't give a fuck. I'm going for mine every time I see a fucking softy, funk strong as coffee. A nigga like that best to back up off me, yo. Cause these are the days and the times of the real nigga. False niggas end up as toss niggas. And that's on the real, cause I'm a nigga that kills again and again. So tell them what's up, Red.
If I'm not into nothing, I don't feel right. So I grab the 9 and the clip and go and murder motherfuckers at night. Because I start to fiend from sitting in a cell where the crime was too tragic and couldn't make bail. So now they gotta hold me and listen to rehabilitation over and over, saying they told me, but I don't give a fuck cause I know my shit is pumping. A nigga always into something.
1991 and NWA get the job done. Admiral Dancehall gonna sing this little tale about a girl that's quick to lick me dick. It goes something like this: the girl quick to lick at a dick, the girl quick to lick at a dick, the girl quick to lick at a dick. She got the dirty habit. The guppy wicked a wily, guppy wicked a wily, wicked a wicked a wicked a guppy wicked a wicked. Because the Admiral Dancehall come and announce my name and the time of the DJ. Rastafari, I debut up for sound. Dr. J, I hear Madam Master. MC Ren, him and come kinda faster. Here come yellow with the wicked rock, wicked a wash, wicked scratch. That's why the Admiral my lyric me my thoughts everyone. NWA is in the house, is in the house, is in the house. I listen up, cause we in the house. Kaya up, listen it up. Just listen up, because dance every lady love me. Kaya every lady come and run get me, because me singing on the NWA album. That's why me singing up on this NWA album, girl.
way. Just like my mic today, I eat it a psycho way. I'm ripping shit right away. I treat you like a bitch in a ditch, off an angel dust. Take you to a roof, sure you can fly. Just jump, slut. You think you might say a rhyme, then someone might order like you couldn't wash it up in a motherfucking water fight. All lockjaw, look at the rock jaw. So proud of sure, suck my encore. Swinging the bolo, the flow goes solo. I'ma smoke ya. It's time to yuck the Joker. The only way you wouldn't be getting dished, jump like a girlie. Father would have bothered to pull it out early. Got a single drip drop, you stripped the hip hop. If I see you disagree, you'll be getting your shit dropped. It's the extended version, inside you can't fuck with. You get the Jimmy and see you swift to kick the bucket. I'm tired of Mr. Nice Guy, place your price high. Bet on a battle rhyme and tell my chances are sky high. Never would you ever get the thrill of say yo sweat. You know that kid Tretch, I took him out, he was no threat. Because you know I'm better than that on my worst day. Taking competition's what I do in the worst way. Quick to do a hit for you, most likely I spoiled you. Abroad you, ignored you, then broadly floored you. The proof is in the pudding, my collar ain't wooden. It takes more than an axe to tax, bless the children. Physically, facially, racially made to be. Crazily paid a G, what a fucking way to be. Hot damn, I'm a man with a hand plan. Then smack that, then attract the new game plan. Eat your big beat, digest the rest. Test shit I was left yet, then go to the next step. That's what I do, that's what I say, that's what I live. That's what I prove, that's what I move, that's what I give. Making other brothers wanna go home and write shit. Bite what I might get, then up and say I quit. Me getting got, oh what a beautiful thought from you. Ain't it amazing what some paper plus a pen and tongue can do? Yo, the Joker.
DJ Tony Touch, pumping it up for the system, y'all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from.
You love to hear the story again and again of how it all got started way back when. The monument is right in your face. Sit and listen for a while to the name of the place.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from. Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from.
You love to hear the story again and again of how it all got started way back when. The monument is right in your face. Sit, listen for a while. Sit, listen for a while. Sit, listen for a while. To the name of the place.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got MC Shan and Molly Mall in the house tonight. They just came from off tour. They want to tell you a little story about where they come from.
You love to hear the story again and again of all started way back when. The monument is right in your face. Sit and listen for a while to the name of the place. The brick. Hip hop was set out in the dark. Hip hop was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. Every hip hop was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. Every hip hop was set out in the dark. They used to was set out in the dark. Hip hop was set out in the dark. Hip hop was set out in the dark. Hip hop was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. Every place that said his name was set out in the dark. They used to do it out in the park. Every place that said his name, it rang an alarm. Otherwise known as me, T-Tom. A brother who's known, a brother who's known, a brother who's known, a brother who's known, a brother who's known for his rap. Jabby Jack, Larry Ladd, third least not last. A cool brother by the name of Gas. Phase Brothers made you get loose. They was down with the brother called Cousin Bruce. They used to jam in the center. You had to pay so you could enter. Go to the door, get frisked just in order to get in. And if you wasn't from this town, then you couldn't fight and win. But every time they had a jam, they couldn't get no peace. So that's why the jams out there in the parks they had to cease. Cause you was in South Bronx. South Bronx.
Many people tell me this style is terrific. It is kinda different, but let's get specific. KRS-One specialize in music. I'll only use this type of style when I choose it. Party people in the place to be. KRS-One attacks. You got dropped off MCA cause the rhymes you wrote was whack. So you think that hip-hop had its start out in Queensbridge? If you pop that junk up in the Bronx, you might not live, cause you're in The bridge is over, the bridge is over. Bye-bye, the bridge is over. It's over, it's over. It's over, it's over, it's over, it's over. It's over, the bridge is over. Hey, hey, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. Bye-bye, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. You see me coming in the dance with the flip. I said,
The bridge is over, the bridge is over. Bye-bye. The bridge is over, the bridge is over. Hey, hey, the bridge is over, the bridge is over. Bye-bye. The bridge is over, the bridge is over. You see me coming in, they dance with the slipper C, down, down with the sound, BDP. You want to join the crew, well you must see me. You can't sound like Shan or no one Marley, because Shan and Marley Marlin, my rhyming like the gay. Picking up the mind, them don't know what to say. Saying hip hop started out in Queensbridge. Saying life like that, you know them kids live. So tell them again, we tell them again. Tell them again, we tell them again. And tell them again, we come to tell them again. Tell them again, we come to tell them. Manhattan keeps on making it, Brooklyn keeps on taking it, Bronx keeps creating it, and Queens keeps on faking it. Hey, all your sucker MC want you please come out to play. Here's an example of KRS-One. Here's an example of KRS-One. They wish the battle be defeat, but they cannot. They must be on the dick of who? DJ Scott La Rock. God, we don't complain, nor do we play the game of favorites. Boogie Down production come in 3 different flavors. Pick any dick for the flavor that you savor. Mr. Magic might wish to come and try to save you, but instead of helping you out, he want the same thing I gave you. I finally figured it out, a magic mouth is used for sucking. Roxanne Shante is only good for steady fucking. MC Shannon Marley Marl is really only bluffing. Like Dougie Fresh said, I tell you now you ain't nothing compared to Red Alert on Kiss and Boogie Down production. Say ease and I'm on, I miss it ease and I'm on. Say KRS-One, you know them can't understand. Been moving over there and then we're moving over here. This name of this routine is called Live at Union Square. What's the matter with your MC Marley Marl? Don't you know that he's out of touch? What's the matter with your MC Marley Marl? Don't you know that he's out of touch? What's the matter with your DJ MC Shan on the wheels of steel Marlin sucks? You better change what comes out your speaker. What's the matter with your MC Marley Marl? Don't you know that he's out of touch? What's the matter with your DJ MC Shan on the wheels of steel Marlin sucks? You better change what comes out your speaker. You're better off talking about the whack Puma sneaker. Cause Bronx created hip-hop, Queens will only get dropped. You're still telling lies to me. Everybody's talking about the Juice Crew funny, but you're still telling lies to me.
Started with slave ships.
There are more records of slave ships than one would dream. It seems inconceivable until you reflect that for 200 years ships sailed carrying cargo of slaves.
Be non-violent. In the face of the violence that we've been experiencing for the past 400 years is actually doing our people a disservice. In fact, it's a crime. It's a crime.
Here come the drums.
All right. Yeah. All right.
Here come the drums.
All right. Yeah. All right.
They see your face, not an 8-track, getting it good to the woods. So the people give you some of that reaction to the facts that I kick in a stick. Get a stay around, point to the joint, put the Buddha down. Don't get to the roots and giving it up. So turn it loose. Then again, I got a story that's harder than a hardcore course of the Holocaust. I'm talking about the what's still going on. I know where from that dumb Billy dumb from the base motherland. The place of the drum, invaded by the whack to the whack. It fooled the black, it left us faded. King and Chief probably had a big beef. Because of that, now I grit my teeth. So here's a song to the storm, but the shape of a snake and a smile that went along with that.
Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted.
Kicking wicked rhymes like a fortune teller. Cause the wickedness done by Jack. Where everybody at the body is sold for the liquor and the gold. Smacked in the back for the other man to match.
What? Wicked. Wicked man. That man. Kick it man.
Now the story I'm kicking is gory. Little Rock where they be docking this boat. No hope, I'm shackled. Plus gang tackled by the other hand swinging the rope. Win, red, white, and blue. Jack and his crew. The guys authorized to beat down for the Browns. Man to the man, each one sword teach one point to terrorize sisters and every brother one love who's could have been a ship's captain. Getting me bruised on the cruise. While I got the loose lost all contact, got me laying on my back. Doing in my own leftover. When I roll over on somebody else. 90 damn days on a slave ship. Now I'm falling off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 at a time. Blood in the wilderness mine. I'm taking off spit, feeling pain like my brain being changed. Still gotta give it what I got. It's hot in the day, it's cold in the night. But I thrive to survive. I pray to God to stay alive, my attitude balls inside. If that ain't it, you think I ever quit? Still I pray to get my hands around the neck of the man with the whip. And 3 months past they brand a label on my ass. To signify I'm old, I'm on the microphone saying 50, 55. How I'm living, we've been living here. Living ain't the word I've been given. Haven't got classifieds in the have-nots. Fighting the halves cause it's all about money. When it comes to Armageddon, mean I'm getting mine. Here I am, turn it over, Sam. 427 to the year, do you understand? That's why it's hard for the brethren of the land. Once again, bass in your face, not an 8-track, getting it good to the wood. So the people keep it some of that reacting to the facts that I kick and it's stick. And it's stay around, point to the joint, put the Buddha down. Go and get to the roots and giving it up. So turn me loose. Then again, I got a story that's harder than the hardcore cost of the Holocaust. I'm talking about the one still going on. I know where I'm from, not dumb. Did it come from the base motherland, the place of the drum, invaded by the whack? Did he whack? It fooled the black and left us faded. King and Chief probably had a big beef. Because of that, now I hit my teeth. So here's a song to the strong about the shake of the state and a smile went along with that. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted. Get trusted.
Smooth like clouds in the atmosphere. I'm spectacular, so damn terrifying that whack MC don't think about ever trying to diss or flip. Cause what it boils down to, you won't survive the steps of me in round 2. I stand and expand like a great man and swing a party like Tarzan and 8-man. Say rhymes that are necessary, make them extra scary. Watch finesse and take notes like a secretary. I get furious, display experience. Lord Finesse is nasty, period. With the master rap, and I flip on the mic like an acrobat. I won't fret, step, but I'll make a rep using vinyl wax or tape cassette. Think I'm weak? Take your next look and get schooled and read like a textbook. Cause I'm the better man, and I never ran. MC beat me, I give credit to whoever can. Cause I terrify, scare, and horrify. Couldn't win against me if you let your father try. Hang and socialize, rhymes just multiply. Me and Mike, get with it cause we both will fly. Lyrical lecture, word architecture, rap director, the best in my sector. Microphone crew chief, releasing a smooth speech. I get nasty with a pen and some loose leaf. silky and smooth like cashmere. And slay a rapper with rhymes as it last year. So don't try roasting or toasting me or even approaching me. I break you physically and emotionally. So damn fly at this, so don't even try to dis. Put rhymes together like a stupid mad scientist in a laboratory. I'm a brother with a better story. Lord Finesse stand tops in my category. MCs are petrified with nowhere left to hide. I slay a rap and go, what's up, who's next to try? I ain't having it, poetical graduate. And me get whipped by who? Imagine it, MCs on jeopardy as soon as they step to me. I'm the man ladies break their neck to see. Highly explosive and nothing to joke with. Cause I can get funky on a fast or a slow tip. Cause I'm badder, but it doesn't matter. Sharp like a dagger, able to ragger. Who the MC who dares try to play me? Cause even the ladies tell me.
The days on the boulevard are Linden. We used to kick routines and the presence was fitting. It was I, the abstract.
And me, the 5-footer. I kicks the mad style, so step off the Frankfurter.
Yo, Fife, you remember that routine? That way used to make spiffy like Mr. Clean?
A tidbit, a smidgen. I don't get the message, so you got to run the pigeon.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, Tip.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, Tip.
You're on point, Fife.
All the time, Tip.
So then grab the microphone and let your words rip.
Now here's a funky introduction of how nice I am. Tell your mother, tell your father, send a telegram. I'm like an energizer cause you see I last long. My crew is never ever whack because we stand strong. Now if you say my style is whack, that's where you're dead wrong. I say that body and El Segundo, then push it along. You be a fool to reply the Fife is not the man. Cause you know and I know that you know who I am. A special shout out piece goes out to all my pals you see. And a middle finger goes for all you punk MCs. Cause I love it when you whack MCs despise me. They get vexed, I will next, but none can test me. I'm just a fly MC who's 5 for 3 and very brave. On top remaining, no home training cause I misbehave. I come correct and full effect of all my hoes in check. And before I get the butt, the gym must be a wreck. You see my aura's positive, I don't promote no junk. See I'm far from a bully and I ain't a punk. Extremity of rhythm, yeah that's what you heard. So just clean out your ears and just check the word.
Check the time, y'all. 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 Check it out. Check it out. Check the time, y'all. Check the time, y'all. Check the time, y'all. Check the time, y'all. Check the time, y'all.
Back in the days on the boulevard of Linden, we used to kick routines and the presence was fitting. It was I, the Viper.
And me, the abstract. The rhymes were so rumpin' that the brothers wrote the Zach.
Hey yo, Tip, do you recall when we used to rock those fly routines on your cousin's block?
Let me see. Damn, I can't remember. I received the message and you will play the same.
You're on point, Tip.
All the time, Fife.
You're on point, Tip.
Yeah, all the time, Fife.
You're on point, Tip.
You're all the time, Fife.
So play the resurrector and give the dead some life.
Okay, if knowledge is the key, then just show me the lock. Got the scrawny legs, but I move just like Lou Brock with speed. I'm agile, plus I'm worth your while. 100% intelligent black child. My opera presentation sizzles the retina. How far must you go to gain respect? Well, it's kinda simple. Just remain your own, or you'll be crazy, sad, and alone. Industry rule number 4080. Record company people are shady. So kids watch your back, cause I think they smoke crack. I don't doubt it. Look at how they act. But off to better things like a hip hop forum. Pass me the rock and I'll score 'em with the decorum and proper. What you say, hammer? Proper. Rap is not pop. If you call it that, then stop.
What's wrong with our future? What's wrong with our future? What's wrong with our future?
How long will this last? A friend to the end, a memory in the past. You think you're big cause you walk with a shotgun? I got news for you, your days are numbered, son. Why don't you get yourself a job? When your kid grows up, do you want him to rob? Look at your mother, teardrops. She just received a phone call from the cops. Your son will do life cause he raped a man's wife. Shot her with a gun and stabbed her with a knife. Or take a look at your mother's heart torn. She just received a phone call from the morgue. Your son is dead from 3 shots to the head. The killer left a note and this is what the note said. Never be bigger than you are. Never try to pose like you're a superstar. Next time you rob somebody and you give them the death wish, when you pull the trigger, nigga, don't miss. Is this how you wanna be? Dead on the street or locked in a penitentiary? It's cool to be free. And it's alright for you to be you and for me to be me. Look at you, 15 years old, cooling on the corner with a can of old gold. Whatever happened to school? Yeah, sure you go to school, but you go to be cool. The sports sneakers that you took from somebody, to talk about the kid that you bucked at some party. Life is a gamble and you're losing. Before it's too late, brother, you better start choosing. Left from right, right from wrong. Or you be singing that old blues song.
Yo, you gotta buck 'em, or else you're soft.
Some I knew thought the same, not their way up north. You ain't soft cause you didn't buck a shot. Put the pistol down, throw up your hand, see what you got. Old Johnny Walker from around the block was living rather large till he got knocked. He had living large on his Jeep place, living large on his real estate. He even bought a diamond, living large nameplate. He used to look at cops and smile in their face, drive a BMW and pump the bass. One day he made a move for a friend. The phone rang, the voice said, yo, I need 10. Johnny said, when? Later on that day, Johnny went to play the game he normally plays, to do a favor for a chum. You see, your friend is a friend, but then some are none. Cause when he got to the spot they were supposed to meet, all he found was a police-infested street. I guess having a friend is rough, cause now Johnny's up north doing push-ups, getting bugged. You see the chain I got it honestly. You see the clothes I wear, I got it honestly. You see the Jeep I drive, I got it honestly. I work hard, it ain't easy being me. Never had an excuse for life, just did what I did. Now what I do it right. Jumbo, jumbo, they cry on the block. 5-0, 5-0, lay low, here comes the cops. Man, your lifestyle is petrol. On your knees again because Jumbo said so. Free Mandela, you cried, but you still so dope to brothers and sisters outside. Martin Luther King had a dream. That's exactly what turned his dream into a nightmare. Malcolm X said, by any means necessary. It didn't mean just for you, brother, he meant for everybody. Maybe if we were still slaves, we'd be closer. However, picking cotton was bad, but we picked it together. I pray for you, and you pray for me. Sincerely yours, the overweight lover, Heavy D.
His name is
They could give me more respect down at immigration. If you treat Mr. Bug like a politician, through me green card legal and me registration. Yeah, resident in a place that I've never been, evident. My money spent, but now I'm permanent. Militant, step with the green card. Mama took a trip, still can't forget yard. R.A. did it, now the B's with it. Rock, cos, reggae, hip hop, all lit it. Double B the gun, some call it Dan. Yo, I know the Doodle Man.
The Doodle Man.
What did you say your name was?
The Doodle Man. The Doodle
His name is
The Doodle Man. The Doodle Man. The Doodle Man.
Freaking liquor.
The Doodle Yes, master.
Lived a man in a crush-proof box, but his hair was too fair to wear dreadlocks. With a magical sack on his back, a swing and a hit, but a hit won't get you jack. You kill the oxygen and I won't lose a breath. If you can see with your ears, you go blind. I'm so deaf. I soothe you like a medicated tux. Who be the funky brother with the rhyme deluxe? Mike Deluxe and mega bucks and Mercedes trucks and don't give a what. I just came to do my duty. Understand? That's why I'm making funky records with the Doodle Man. Funky records with the Doodle Man. Making funky records with the Doodle Man. Clap your hands with the Doodle Man. Clap your hands to the beat. Let me see you just clap your hands to the beat.
just clap their hands to the beat. Oh man, there go my main man Kenny Parker. He on the sideline, he got it going on. My main man Teddy Tag, he in the house, he kick a little flavor right there. My name is the King of Break.
To me, picking up girlies is almost just like a game show.
A game show, Soup?
Yeah, but only if the type is hype. Like Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune.
Or The Price is Right.
Romance has got the answers, but sex is still a question. Yo, Derek, come on down, cause you're the next contestant.
Go to the movies with a posse full of friends in it. Max it in a Max. Not Rod, yo, I was in it. Met the cuties with potential, I had hope for them.
Which one did you kick it to, D?
The both of them, but not who I was. Like a rabbit, they hopped on. My girlies caught the babies when I stepped to buy some popcorn.
Is he your lover? Does he get busy or is he weak?
I did him, then I quit him. After all, it's a busy week. Dating two girls at a time. No, my love life is bigger.
Oh.
I love them, then leave them to the life of a gigolo.
Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me.
Yo, Derek, are you a gigolo?
Soup, I play the same role to me. Picking up girlies is almost just like a game show. A game show, D? Yup, but only if the type is right. Like Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune.
All The Price is Right.
Romance has got the answers, but sex is still a question. Yo, Soup, come on down, cause you're the next contestant.
See, I almost hit the chick, so then I stopped to apologize. Panova Casanova said,
step to this driver's side.
She started to step, but my rep kicked the inner charm.
Was she a Gucci girl?
No, her fashion was Benetton. As lovely as she looked, to get a hook was a true thing. So I got her up with the super suit routine. We dipped to her crib, and yeah, you know what I rep. Shot like a train in rush hour, I had to move to the next stop.
Dating three girls at a time?
No, my love life was bigger.
Oh.
I love him and leave him. I live the life of a gigolo.
Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me.
The story's kinda bug. I was shopping at Keith on agenda for some dinner.
Full lasagna.
Not beef stew on the way. I buy some Trojan.
What's the slogan?
Use protection. Passed through, I ate. I saw this cutie in the chicken section. So I approached her. She was hot like the inferno. Said I'm not from Kentucky, but I love to be a colonel.
Did she smile?
Of course she smiled. She knew I had something for her. The night we ate together. Now she's begging me for more.
Dating four girls at a time.
No, my love life is bigger.
Oh.
I love them. They leave them live the life of a gigolo.
Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me.
To me, the gigolo life is kinda fun, but some girls think it's smiling. Get caught in a sport and you'll hear bass instead of violins. I'm only one picture in her album.
My picture, she's screaming.
But to each his own, there's no that girls who play the game. And girls claim I'm theirs, they're nothing but liars. They hold a bunch of pictures of me like they were flyers. Although I might walk with you, talk with you.
Flamingo.
No matter how you put it, super lover still single.
Dating five girls at a time.
Oh, my love life is bigger.
Oh.
I love him and leave him. I live a life of a gigolo.
Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me. Nothing from nothing, leave nothing. You gotta have something if you wanna be with me.
Reality coming down for y'all. I got the flavor, the wisdom, the skill. My name is Reality and I will chill and grill. You suckers like toast, you want rhymes, I'll give you a dose. From my mouth, my tongue, my heart, my soul. My eyes, my brain can't hold back a flow of energy. Highly generated, motivated, activated. Cause I'm a rated X, not PG. Not for your pick needs, cause I'm mature C. I'm not weak, I speak pure realism. Raps are colorful, just like prisms. Don't take crack or smoke the spliff. I just riff, cause I'm swift with my gift of rap gab. So don't cuss me or boss me or diss me or piss me. Sucker, just be careful your tread dread. Cause I'm a time bomb, I'm unarmed. I don't carry a gun or a Stanley
double
blade.
Trouble, we are double trouble, come on. Double trouble, we are the double trouble. Double trouble, we are the double trouble. Bim. Double trouble, we are the double trouble. Me want you raise up your one leg, God and disciple. Me want you raise up your one leg when I fear the devil. Me want you raise up your one leg to read the Bible. Raise up my devil, country come from give us answer. I'm a good, I use the lion, me say it's the jungle. I will walk in the shadow of the fun, I will no evil. No me say, from that side, I create good people. The water of my neighbor, they eat the devil apple. There was a creator, me did not tell the disciple. Say nothing in this world is getting impossible. Say man a sex man and this is incredible. Man a man no understand this is not profitable.
We're in the middle of my fist as a mic. The type of mic to make it hyper, make you wanna write lyrics, positive scriptures to get you and sit ya. So picture this dark male human being with a haircut of a Nubian Egyptian. Slim and trim, that's a good description of reality. This is me still drug free, cause that's the only way to be and it's easy. Do justice but I love to discuss matters that matter, matters I bust. Cause I rush lyrics from the diaphragm, run a program, and if I mess up I just say damn and darn. Because I'm cool and calm and smooth, but love to alarm with words and nouns and sound that's bound to bang and slam. Crumb up in mouth and don't butt in.
Double trouble, we have the double trouble. Follow me now. Double trouble, we have the double trouble. Double trouble, we have the double trouble. Follow me now. Double trouble, we have the double trouble.
Just getting off my job around Wall Street with the ties on. Finest girl a brother think he ever set eyes. A nice day, weather sunny as he made a run for honey with a warm personality. While I was on the run, had a tongue that right there seemed kind of fun to pair. Wondering there as he telling me he could get the underwear. Meanwhile, still jocking her like a real sucker since the witch was so fine she could have AIDS. Still not heart beating for her since her brother didn't figure meeting as I asked her if she's single. Yeah, I caught my nigga cheat. Nice to meet you, leaves. She had dope combined features. Watched her walk away and observing the fine creature. Next day again, when her uninvited grind with us ran into so much that her and her friends decided to hang with us. Then pair moved on find the boat swan. Can I take you out to movies, wide down the whole nine? She condoned, cause riddance, nigga slid the song and didn't want the kid to bone her though I knew I didn't own her. And I could've made her move a little willpower does all. Although she told him that she liked him as a friend and that was all. And since hang with us, shorty told her cool freaked out a week. On my birthday bought me a pair of Gucci sneakers. Did she like me resting her thought? Was it sign? Guess I'll wear them tomorrow. When she saw me, definitely dissing kinda special. Since for this dish, none of it. No ways I asked her honey on a date. And she accepts, so thought it wasn't much a plan. Windows of the world, even had enough to touch her hand. Though not looking at bashful, no, so I suppose I was so shy. And then the hun pulls closer. Thought clever hints, so was she straight? Never been so excited and convinced, kissed in heaven ever since. Hold her hand too, chillin', future plan to build. Couldn't believe my dream fulfilled. All in the girl began to ill by saying, lady, if you will, say you're the one that sent for me to thrill. Someone that I can hold close in my arms with all of the charms of you. It's all of the charms of you, of you, of you, of you, of a lady. This world is just for ladies. A heart screams out to ladies.
Inquiring minds wanna know did the champ retire? So here I am, booming like an amplifier. I clear my throat, then I float like a boat. No for no, what I wrote you can't hold or even tote. Raps are too heavy, sharp like a machete. Pass the microphone, cause Kane is all ready. Ripping the place apart, the booth that I'm the command. The biggest daddy of them all, and O Kane stands for King Asiatic. Nobody's equal or non-equivalent or natural ebony or now effective or never ever. Pick your definition and put it together, cause it still comes out tasting like chocolate. With the finesse MCs never got with, cause none of them want me to touch the mic first. They know that it only takes Kane one verse. So here's the microphone, show me what you can do, and wake me up when you're through. Just so I can go and flow and throw and blow the show a pro and let them all know the NEMC trying to be this lyrical. She go ask Smokey Robinson for a miracle. I wouldn't let a rapper go one round. I'm knocking them down just like Jim Brown. So Mr. C, let the music play, and here's what I want y'all to say. Call that the shit. Sing that song. Here's a rap avalanche, MCs travel and run for shelter cause they don't have a chance. Any MC caught talking out of turn, I straighten them out just like a perm. Now let's take a second just to recollect it. Give a little shout to the rappers that's out, like all the East Coast MCs up to date. From Run DMC on down to Kid and Play. The ladies like Salt and Pepper to Latifah, who showed the power of a woman and made me a believer. Now backtrack with this musical jewel and say peace to the old school, and all praises due to the LA crew. You put your state on the map and kept bringing rap through. I can't forget the brothers that's down in Miami. You're still too live if you never get a Grammy. Cause personally I feel he really needs that stuff. If you ask me, it's just a bunch of makeup. There's a lot of Caucasian kids that don't even know me, cause every Billy and Joey is in love with David Bowie. I guess I'll use the wrong tools in my rhyme, cause when I nailed my clock it didn't say hammer time. That's not a diss to my old town friend, that's telling you how it is in the musical biz. Cause I make sure that every rapper in the industry becomes a friend of me. And Mr. C, let the music play, and here's what I want y'all to say.
motherfucker step to the rear and cheer, cause Tim Dog is here. Let's get right down to the nitty gritty and talk about a bullshit city. Talking about niggas from Compton, they're no comping, they truly ain't stomping. Tim Dog, a black man's task. I'm so bad I whip Superman's ass. All you suckers that riff from the West Coast, I'll diss and spray your ass like a roach. You think you're cool with your curls and your shades, I roll thick and you'll be yelling out raid. A hard brother that lives in New York, where suckers are hard and we don't have to talk. Shut your mouth before we come out stomping. Hey yo, easy. Fuck Compton. Fuck Compton. Fuck Compton. Yeah. Fuck Compton. Oh yeah. Fuck em.
Why you this lazy?
Cause the boy ain't shit. Chewing with tobacco and spit him in shit. I crush Ice Cube, I'm cool with Ice T, but NWA ain't shit to me. Dre, beating on D from Pump It Up. Step to the dog and get fucked up. I'm simplistic, imperialistic, idealistic, and I'm kicking up ballistics. Having that gang war, we wanna know what you're fighting for. Fighting over colors? All that gang shit's for dumb motherfuckers. But you go on thinking you're hard. Come to New York and we'll see who gets robbed. Take your Jerry curl, take your black hats, take your whack lyrics and your bullshit tracks. Now you're mad and you're thinking about stomping? Well, I'm from the South Bronx. Fuck Compton. Fuck Compton. Yeah. Fuck Compton. Yeah. Ha ha. Fuck Compton. Fuck 'em.
Yo, it's about time we got somebody from the South Bronx speaking on the whack-ass rappers.
Yeah.
You know what, man? It really ain't shit.
Tim Dog and I'm the best from the East, and all this Compton shit must cease. So keep your eyes on the prize and don't jeopardize my rhyme, cause that's not wise. You really think that you can rhyme? Well, come and get some of this loaded Tech 9. But shots to cold gunning, and you'll really be 100 miles and running. You wanna play, go ride in a sleigh. I'm so large, I fuck Michelle A. in the bathroom. We was boning. You should've heard how the bitch was moaning. Shut the fuck up, bitch, you can't sing. You sound like a kid playing on the swing. I'm the man at hand to run the band that's in command. You know who the fuck I am. Tim Dog. What's my motherfucking name? Tim Dog. That's my motherfucking game. So whether you think that I'm just the myth, the riff, the lift, the gift, the if, the fifth, the shift, the split, that's in control, the whole, the fold, the bowl, and make it, take it, fake. Woo! And I'm still too great. Fuck Compton! Fuck Compton! Yeah! Fuck Compton! Yeah, just a little something to let you know that these West Coast rappers ain't taking over, cause I'm straight out the South Bronx, and we ain't having that shit. Tim Dog, peace out.
Third place. Hoods is up, so skills is up. This is stick up, so why'd you interrupt? So such much material, cerebral. I'm eating cereal with spoon sipping steeper corn. Daddy-o slip me some cause my breath stank. Wet gold but no accounts in Swiss banks. Think tanks once rolled on the city streets. I used to meet some minds between the sheets. Universes versus hoods perspectives. True flaming words and wax discus. So they dismiss this as vulgarity, and once laughed upon it at the university. Some perp without skills and push a pen. I send surreal scenes where you never been. Looked out, gave you 3 strikes and struck out. Pop shit with the third, knock your fronts out. Blew your blunts out your room, stuck up your ass. Gas you up, then slap you with my stab. I seen your skins like to go to the motels, but your ass won't know to the hotel. Cause I live this zip, I paint pictures. A portrait of self far from tipsters. My discussion of compression ain't ignorance, so don't label the hoods on appearances. You never thought that a gangster could talk sense, but this artifice flipped your beams and spent. Took your papes out your pocket as you stood up. Focused the portrait of the artist, there's a hoods up. Third place.
Portrait painted back in the days. Young strays posted at the LQ on Fridays, waiting for dice to give the go-ahead. Hawking 50 cent, putting heads to bed for a herringbone. Hear the tone of the audio tune. Milk was chilling as I chilled in the back room. Listening to snaps pushed by Scoop and Scrap. Union Square to tear up the KRS tracks. Torn up by the Kent, the Clark Dog. As the brothers try to spark, we knocked boots and the boots got knocked. 3 a.m. and it was off to the hip-hop Starsky. The mask is a ceremony. Cause we're cracked out. We took but now I bring it back in front of packed stadiums. Picture painted with the goals and the wood, the portrait of an artist as a hood.
He on the sideline, he got it going on. My main man Teddy Tag, he in the house, he kick a little flavor right there. My name is the King Capri, and you know I got it going on. And we out of here, you know what I'm saying? Fresh for 1991, you suckers. And we out of here, you know what I'm saying? Fresh for 1991. And we out of here, you know what I'm saying? Fresh for 1991, you suckers. See ya.
So we're trapped there. It makes the ones and masses to the people, not the American
said, don't do crack and smoke, you know, cause it'll make your nose grow like Pinocchio. Since I was only 15, I had to listen to what was said from a parent who's a Christian. I went to school and saw all my friends do it, but I said no, cause I ain't want my nose to grow. They started tripping on me, busting and flipping on me, so I had to front and say, yo, you slipping on me. I started smoking to prove I'm an adult. Now it's a habit, but is it all my fault? I wish my mother had told me the truth, cause now I'm all based out, Mondoe.
Oh man, that's that. What you do is kick it, have a favor.
Everybody rise as I present to a jet black crowd what it's like black and proud in a world where white is right but not tonight. This is a black man's mic. I heard a sister say she don't like darker shades of black on a man cause that's whack, but to my light-skinned sister can't you tell? You're just the surface of a dark deep well. And how could you prefer to be with those that sprayed you with guns and hoses and never put roses on the graves of the slaves that they treated like dirt? After all that hard work,
clap your hands to the beat, come on, and just clap your hands to the beat, freak it out. One of the biggest hands to the beat, come on, and just clap your hands to the beat, freak it out.
One of the biggest lies you hear from no one else is when a girl tries to say that she don't do
freak it out.
One of the biggest lies you hear from no one else is when a girl tries to say that she don't do it to herself. Always fantasizing but steadily denying. Last night she had to stop because her baby was crying. One of the biggest lies you hear from no one else is when a girl tries to say that she don't do it to herself. Always fantasizing but steadily denying. Last night she had to stop because her baby was crying. One of the biggest lies you hear from no one else else is when a girl tries to say that she don't do it to herself. Always fantasizing but steadily denying. Last night she had to stop because her baby freak it out. She do it on the phone all alone with a smile. Run the water, grab the shower cap and get buck wild. Soap suds on the floor, ooh, I'll be sure. Give it to me, give me a little more. I'm fiending, creaming, screaming, dreaming. The water girl shower cap and get buck wild. Soap suds on the floor, ooh, I'll be sure. Give it to me, give me a little more. I'm fiending, creaming, screaming, dreaming. What else? The girl's possessed by that basic demon. Possessed by that basic demon.
In elementary, life had to jaw that shit. Like me and any other kid who cared about books. But then I got wise and I began to listen to the whack teachers in the whack system. My mother put me in ways to shoot, which means black school in Swahili. And there is where I learned black history. And how to be the best that I can be. I went back and now the school is closed. There's nowhere for black youth to go to be taught by brothers and sisters who knows what it means to be a black child or a white teen. In the end, the youth are being treated. Which means the world is being cheated. Ting was never taught her life was worth something. People don't try to but makes me wanna hurt. You wanna be somebody stand out, but got you now. Oh, you're broke? I guess it's all to your man. This is giving up the ball. It's a 9 to 5 too hard. All the skeezers, and you prove it to the worst. Honey, to earn the say it's first. Oh man, this is human education against. Earn the right to say it's ladies first.
Oh man, this is human education against lies. You better know the flavor, kid.
Human education against lies tries to open the eyes of humanity before it dies. Black and white ain't the real fight. That's the only thing the media hypes. The human education against lies tries to open the eyes of humanity before it dies. Human education against lies tries to open the eyes of humanity before it dies. Human education against lies tries to open the eyes of humanity before it dies. Black and white ain't the real fight. That's the only thing the media hypes. The real fight of these major corporations pulling back the real education before you're a color. First you're human. Teaching humanity is what we're doing.
Just when you thought you knew everything, it was to know you didn't do anything. This test television.
Daddy's home every day since he lost his job. His new line of work is now being a mom. Mom is scared, she doesn't know what to do. Her beautiful skin is now black and blue. She used to cry, now she's back in the pan. A human war between woman and man.
Melody, Kid Capri, and
JMJ all the way.
Yo,
human education against lies.
To all the girls and to all the guys,
get paid, get it made, get a good grade, live to a very old age. Check it out, Jack. No disrespect to each and every member of the opposite sexes. Yes, and as the messages, and I sent some. We never knew where the poison came from. Yo, we rapping on hills, so we don't we like to mention acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS, we here to make you get wise. Human education against lies.
Clap your hands to the beat. Come on and just clap your hands to the beat. Let me see you just clap your hands to the beat. Come on and just clap your hands to the beat. Oh man, there go my main man Kenny Parker. He on the sideline, he got it going on. My main man Teddy Tag, he in the house, he kick a little flavor right there. My name is the King Capri, and you know I got it going on. And we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause we out here, you know what I'm saying? '
I'm hot with a warm hate. I won't stop pop till I head is screwed on straight. I take shorts and no sauce, I take that clone. The only thing I take is the A to the path home. And I take it all the way to the north stop. Your style's more foul than a pork chop. I rock the hip hop, non-stop tick-tock. Around the big clock with a spot tick-tock. Pin the tail on a jackass, it don't mean jack. Chill. To a brother from down the hill. Backtrack with a rap that remains funky. And this spoon. Back in the day, y'all played with Play-Doh. The dough was real now, but dildos still how. A starving, hungry MC gets win. MC filet mignon is the fiction. I'm starving up, it's time to carve them up. Yep, get them and cut them up. Stuff them and cook the duck. Tough luck, tell them to shut up and check. And feel a threat of a real life roughneck. Pin the tail on the check, where you, bat, another best will need a head best for this head check. But there's another track, that's what I heard, yeah. Increase that from my black boom in his chest. I never knew a nigga really wanted to die. Instead he bit, instead of looking me eye to eye, then I knew he was truly through, done, plus the one to meet the mighty one, call a bad one. I rhyme about what I want to, microphone 1, 2. You do more like Usher than a bum do. THEMCOFRAPOKATINTHENINETIE. Watch me SC, and I might stop this step to a sexy, fancy, prancy, dancey. No combo stomp, here's a true form. Style so fat it gets fitted with a shoehorn. Here's a clearer mirror, dig up, look at it nearer, cause I don't fear ya. Some get too soup to the point where the suit too thick, but still lick through and through. I always wanted a guy to come and try to get slide and try to get by my edited treacherous style that's wrecking it. Pin the tail on the 2, 5. Pin the tail on a donkey.
Super loving Romeo, females I can do 'em. A spot on any folder cotton, I can prove it to 'em. I know it sounds dirty, but super gets no dirt on, because I wear a hat and keep my underpants and shirt on. Pump to make 'em jump as if they're doing them gymnastics. The Romeos are rapping with just fantastic. Got the girls at the gigs, bringing them in big. So ladies and thingamajigs, oh egg 'em, hey the girls wanna get some. Line up, I'ma get with ya. Turn off my lamp, then stamp on you my signature. Then I go and look up someone else that can push up. He'll thank me now, but then be shook up with the hook up. And hey, he took a chance, but she can't be romance, cause she's stuck on soup. And meanwhile, back at the ranch, I'm